lie in your life and say a Bollywood star is coming. This is fantastic. On the panel today, on writing for the world's youngest nation, on my left is Lalita Iyer, whose book, I'm Pregnant, Not Terminally Ill, You Idiot, will be on the stands in July. And Colin Agarwal on my right is the author of one of last year's best-selling books, How I Break Anu Auntie and co-founded a $1 million company. My name is Geeta Venugopal and I wrote a book called Would You Like Some Bread with that book, and other instances of literary love. So I think just in that introduction, we have revealed the secret of writing for the world's youngest nation, which is that you should have a really long title for your book. The biggest challenge with writing Would You Like Some Bread is to actually write a book that is longer than the title. So when I tell people that I'm writing a book about books, a lot of people would ask, oh, what is that? I mean, how do you write a book about books? And I started off sort of being evangelical and describing it, and then I realized that it was just 5 wasted minutes because at the end of it, they're just going to think, okay, she's crazy. But after the book has come out, and it's a collection of personal essays and about books and reading, about how I found a book that related to me and things like that. I realized that a lot of older people would come and talk about having read those same books. But the younger crowd would always talk about the experience